Wonder if trashing everything did something.
I don't think I don't. Technical difficulties on Tech Tuesday. It is not allowing me to live stream into the group. I don't know why. It's only giving me a page, not a group. So anyway, I'm not going to worry about it. Everything's fine. We are recording to the cloud and we will upload it into the group in case you need a replay, because I think you'll need a replay of this one. It's a little complex, but it's going to be super fun. We are going to be learning how to bulk create inside Canva. And if you guys don't know what bulk create means, it means creating like 30 days of content or more in like minutes. So, you guys ready to jump in? All right. Hi, Cynthia. I see you. All right. Anybody use Bulk Create inside Canva right now?
I tried it.
You did.
I tried. That's what I tried.
Okay. So the first way I learned how to do it was like bringing in a table, but I'm going to show you a much easier way. So there's that. So we are going to hop right in and do the things. Sharing my screen. Heading into Canva. Okay, so creating bulk content uh is exciting because you get to do it all at one time and it gets to look like your brand, right? We already talked about brand kit. So your posts are going to be branded to you as well. But you're supposed to post three different kinds of things. One is inspirational posts, right? You want to inspire people, motivate people. The other is educational. And then the next one is entertaining. So we are going to work on inspirational and educational today because the entertaining part, I kind of like to have, more organic content like me doing things, being entertaining. So we're going to focus on these two, inspirational and educational. So first things first, we're going to go into doc, right? So there is a doc button inside your Canva, and then you're going to click on this plus sign, and then you're going to just start writing. So this is going to be, we're going to do this for buyers and for sellers. So give me 15. Oh my gosh, every time someone tries to get in the room, it doesn't let me type. Awesome. Give me 15 inspirational. No, I don't want that. I want motivational quotes uh, to get home buyers in the right mindset to buy a home. Okay, so
Can we ask questions as you're doing this?
sure.
I'm in Docs
Uh-huh.
and I don't know like how you got that. Like, did you hit the
I
press?
hit the plus sign
Yeah.
and then I
And
hit magic right.
magic, right. Okay.
Yep. Okay, so if you like it, then you just click insert. Okay, and remember, you do have a brand voice. So if you go over here to brand, right now, they did the voice in my Wendy Garcia Real Estate Boss. Okay, if I was to switch this to luxury, remember my other voice, you can select it there. And then you can do a plus sign, magic right, and you can say, give me 15 motivational quote to get buyers in the right mindset to buy a home. Okay, so generate. So you'll be able to see the different kinds of words that come out of this fabulous thing. So, so if you look at, hold on, let me get this in here first. So depending on how you want your quotes to say in your voice, right? That's how you're going to pick it. But like, every home has a story. Oh, shoot, it keeps going. Hold on. So this is, home is not a place, it's a feeling. Let's find the feeling that speaks to you, right? We're going to take out magic, right? Because we don't want people that know we use magic, right? But that's funny. The best investment on earth is earth. Embark on the journey to claim your peace. I like that. But if you go down here to the luxury voice, investing in a home is investing in the canvas of your future memories. Make the brush strokes bold and deliberate. So like, notice how the first one is fun and friendly. The second one is luxury. So, and you know, so you're going to be able to tell the difference. So, anyway, we're going to highlight this right here. Oops. I'm going to highlight this section. And then I'm going to go Control-C. Then I'm going to go back into Canva. So everybody know how I got that. You press the plus sign, you ask it the questions, and then you copy what you like. So then you're going to go to home, and then you're going to say, okay, I want to do Instagram quotes. And you're going to type it up here so that you can see what kind of templates they have. And then you're going to pick the kind of template you want, right? So let's see, what do we want? What do we want? This is kind of cool. Let's go with this. Customize this template. Okay, so I like this part of it, right? So we're gonna actually go and add my logo. And I'm gonna just put this one, oops. This one at the bottom. This one right here. And then, okay. So now for the fun part. We're going to change that picture. Don't you worry. I don't really like it. So that's going to come in a minute. So anyway, then you're going to go over here to apps. And you're going to go to bulk create. It'll be under more from Canva. So if you don't see bulk create, click on more from Canva and you'll be able to see it there. So you're going to click on bulk create. And then we're going to click on enter data manually. So you can upload a full table of a whole bunch of stuff, but it was kind of complex. So I'm going to do it this way because it's super easy. So anyway, enter data manually. The first thing you want to do is clear table. You don't want that table. And then right here, you're going to click quote right there. That is it. And then you're going to click here and go Control V. And all your quotes are going to go in there. This is so cool, right? Okay, so then you're going to click done. And then you're going to take this part. Yeah, I'm going to take that out. I'm going to click on this. And then, so where your quote is, you're going to click on it. You're going to press the three dots. You're going to say connect data. Then you're going to click here. And then As long as you like that font and like that size and all the good stuff, you can definitely move forward with it. I did it before and the writing was so small. I had to redo every single one. So that's kind of important. So hopefully this is big enough for what we have, but we're gonna go. Are you guys ready for this? Continue. Generate 15 designs. We're going to take Magic Write Out. Remember that? So we're definitely going to take that. But look at my logo is on every single one. And it has all the little quotes to inspire people to buy a home, right? So then, okay. Obviously, we don't want this picture on every single one. In fact, I don't want it on any of them because I don't really love it. So I like to use houses. So if you don't have a folder full of all of your houses, like I do, but if you don't, you're going to click on Elements and you're going to say Kitchen. And then you're going to click on See All Photos. And then look at this. You're just going to click and drag. Oh, my thing's not working. Right into there. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to move this kitchen. And then, oh, I like this one. I like this one. Are you guys getting this? Yeah, definitely need that one. Oh yeah, dark. I like the dark. That looks cool. And you're just going to do this for all 15. You don't have to do kitchens. Like you can literally click on living room or bathroom or whatever it is you want, and then put it in there. You know, maybe you like landscaping more. I like homes because I'm trying to get people to fall in love with these kitchens so they'll come buy one from me, right? So this, there we go. Almost done. I promised Jamie this would be done in just a couple minutes. So here we go. Couple minutes. I think we're almost there. Almost there. One more. This one. And if you don't like where the picture is, you can double click on it and move it over, move it this way, whatever you want, right? And then just click off of it. And there you go. Is that cool or what? I got to take this off here so you guys can see, so I can see your faces. All right. Okay. Does anybody have any questions about that part? Because we are going to move into doing a reel or a story.
Quick question.
Yes.
Can you move that quote or is it there to stay?
You can move it. You can move
I mean
it.
that box so you can see more of the kitchen.
Yeah, you can definitely go and redo however you want. You can even take this box and make it more transparent. Oh wait, that's the picture. Hold on. You can make it more transparent, you know, if you want to see through it a little bit more. Sometimes putting a shade behind the words makes them more
Yeah,
readable.
so you can see the backdrop better. Okay, cool.
But yeah, you can absolutely do that. You just want to make sure you take out these magic rights before you post, because that's funny. If I see someone post with the quote being magic, right? I'm going to have a heyday. Okay, so.
And then do you manually send it to Instagram or do you just put it on like
every
week?
I'm gonna show you that.
Right
We're
on.
gonna post it. We're gonna post it right to Instagram from Canva. Okay.
Wendy, so if you lighten them from the beginning, will they all come up that line?
Yes. Yeah. So the key is to make it look exactly how you want it before you do the import, before you do the bulk. So you're going to find your template, whatever you like, and then you're going to make it exactly how you want it, because if you do, then it's less work. Otherwise you have to, and I could have took all of this magic right out of the things. Okay. So see this one, it didn't fit. So I could do that, or I could just make this a little bit bigger, so you definitely want to double check what you do to make sure that you like it. Will Rogers, Magic Right. Okay, I don't know who that is. That's fine. This one needs to go. Go.
She's a financial advisor.
What?
You said you didn't know who Susie Orman was?
Oh, thank you. Okay, so there's that. So they're all ready, and we're gonna go here and click share. And if you don't have this already set up, you're gonna click more, and then you're gonna find your Instagram, and you're gonna log in. So you're gonna click on Instagram, and then you're gonna click schedule post from desktop, continue. And then you think that goes away. So if you want to do home is not a place, it's a feeling. It's a feeling. If you wanted to be better at this, you could have copied and pasted. But I think if I go over here and copy this goes away and I have to redo it. So let's find the feeling that speaks to you. Speaks to you. And then you could do your hashtags, you could do home buying hashtag home sweet, whatever hashtags you want to do. I know that they are very important. Probably hashtag your area, hashtag your name. Oops, real. Okay.
Wendy, that calendar, please tell me that much you schedule.
The what? Yes.
The calendar. Oh, that's gorgeous.
I know. So, and this is on page 1. So this one is going to be for page 1. I'm going to hashtag my company. Okay. So then you click on the calendar. Let's let Cassandra in. Admit. Okay. Click on the calendar and you can pick tomorrow. Obviously, if you look at your analytics on your Instagram, you'll be able to see exactly when people are looking at your stuff on Instagram. So if I were you, I would definitely see the best days and times for posting and then post during those times, but that is a totally different class. That is not today. So we're going to do 9:19 a.m. on Wednesday. Done. Schedule. And then you can see it right in your content planner right there. Isn't that cool? So
how come you have to type the quote into Instagram box?
Well, that's the thing. Like I said, you could have copied and pasted it, but if I would have went back to copy, then I would have had to go back to share, Instagram, go, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, yes, you absolutely can copy and paste it into there. I just did not. So anyway, you can kind of see it here. This is cool for just Instagram posts, but not for Reels and stories. So Reels and stories are going to be a little bit different. We are going to learn how to do them. in there, but you're gonna need to download it and send it to your phone and then upload it there, which you want to because you want to add music. You know, you want to add the trending sounds, stuff like that. So anyway, Darcy, you have a question?
I did. Is there a way to put like a moving video in the post instead of just a static picture?
Yeah, so I was just showing you the static Instagram posts, but yes, next we are going to do the video.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Absolutely.
I jumped ahead.
And it's gonna be for reels and stories. So yeah,
Great.
we're gonna do that next. Not a
Thanks.
problem. Eve, good morning. How are you? You got a question?
Good morning. Yes. Can you do this for Facebook too? Or this only Instagram?
Hold on, let's look. Let's look. Good question. So if I went to more,
Oh, yeah.
Facebook page. So your business page, you can do it to your business page.
Okay. And on Instagram, you would do it on your business page, not your personal? Or can you do it on both?
My personal is my business. It's all one. So
Okay.
it's a professional creator something. That's
Okay.
my Instagram. So anyway, so yeah, you'll be able to do that there. Oh, I wonder if the Facebook story is for your business page or your personal. Let's look. Oh. Use the camera app to make this your Facebook story. Okay, we are not going to get derailed. All right, so Deanna, good morning.
Good morning. I just have a question. When you're having to copy that over into the subject box or whatever that box was, what is the purpose for that? What does that do for your post?
Okay,
do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I understand. That's ad copy, you know, when you post something and then you have something you say about it. So you could actually take this, put it into ChatGPT and say, write me an engaging Instagram description about this post. And it will give you what you want. I was just showing you, this is, you know, if you say something about it and then do some hashtags, that's the simplest way. Obviously, if you are Linnea Carver, you need to put some thought into your ad copy. I'm just trying to show people the simplest way to get the stuff out there. But
that's okay. I was just confused why it would be the same, but that now that you've explained it, that makes total sense. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. All right, Jackie, good morning.
Good morning. Do you have to do that per post, transfer it over, so it's not bulk posting?
No, right. No. It's definitely not. This is just bulk create. You're creating it in bulk, right? So that was super easy. Now you can go and post each of these to a different day, to a different time. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So yeah, that's the bulk part, is that you are literally grabbing a list, throwing it in there and creating all these in minutes.
Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. John, good morning.
Good morning. So this kind of really takes the place of like Metricool?
No. Yeah, so Metricool is a scheduler that you can schedule a whole bunch of things at the same time. Like you can click on this and also have it going on this, and this. You know what I mean? And then it actually shows you when people are more engaging on your Facebook, when they're engaging on your Instagram, when they're engaging on your YouTube. So like you can post to those times. And, you know, Metricool costs money. So there's that. But yeah, so this is just an easy way to create bulk content and then share it on one of your platforms, or you can share it on all, but you have to do each one. Metricool allows you to do one with one ad copy on multiple platforms. Does that make sense?
Yep. Okay.
I know. We have so many cool tools in our life. Awesome. I love this stuff. Okay. So we're going to go and do another one, but we're going to do Facebook Reels, or I mean, not Reels. We're going to do a reel and a story. So I want to go back to here, and I want to create a new doc. And this time we're going to talk to sellers. Okay. So, where's my doc? Did I already pull it up? No, sorry. Hold on. Let me close out of some stuff here. Okay. Now going here.
Wendy, I don't think we've ever seen your toolbar up there so naked.
I know, I cleaned it up for you today. I know. I wanted everything to run smooth because this is a little crazy. So, okay, here we go.
Wendy, quick question. You just decided to pick all kitchens. You could have picked different backgrounds, right?
Yeah, like I said, you can pick houses, you can pick living rooms, you can pick bathrooms, you could pools, like you could.
Yeah, I mean, like you can switch them up. I mean, whichever you pick, you don't have to stay with that theme, right? Each week could be.
Okay. Yep. So, okay, here we go. We are going to go magic right. And then we are going to say, give me 15 quick seller tips. Home seller tips. Home seller. I gotta say quick because I tried to do this last night and it gave me like these big long paragraphs. Like it's doing now. See how like they, like why can't they just do?
Maybe reference like bullet points rather than the word quick.
Okay.
Or short.
Let's
short
try
works for me.
You can also say short, Wendy.
Okay. Give me 15 short. I know I was arguing with this lady last night. Give me 15 short home
bullet points.
Seller tips. Okay, so short bullet point home seller tips. Oh, okay, I like this. I like this better. But yeah, you could do with this with anything. Like, give me tips or give me the 15 stupidest things buyers do when buying a home. You know what I mean? Like you can literally make it funny. You can.
I love that.
Yeah. So there's that. Then we're gonna go here. We're going to copy. Actually, what they did say was grab your longest one. Okay. And then go pop it into whatever design you decide to do so that you know like exactly where it's going to sit, right? Because sometimes they're too big, too small. So, and if you get your font on point first time, that's less editing later. So now we're going to go here and do stories. Maybe quotes, maybe not. Okay, I'm not gonna really like any of these anyway, so I'm just gonna grab one. But you could go through there and you could be like real estate, da, 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 and it'll give you something. See, I don't know if I like that font, so we're gonna go in and Control V. So this is what our new thing will look like, right? And if we go here and move you guys over. I don't know, that might be too like scripty, but you're gonna also, don't forget, add your logo, do black on this one, down here. I'm gonna go down like this because most of them were shorter. So this was the longest one, right? So that's why I grabbed it. Then we're gonna go here, copy. And then go over to the apps, click on Bolt Create and enter data manually. Make sure you go and clear table. And then you're going to type in quote, whatever. And then you're going to go Control V. Done. And then you're going to click on this, click on the 3 dots.
Is that Control V as in Victor or B as in boy?
When you copy something, it's Control C. When you paste something, it's Control V as in Victor.
Victor, okay.
Sorry. Or you can right click and copy, right click and paste, however you learned from when you learned. Okay, connect data. We are going to connect it to quote. And then we're going to click, we're going to let Patricia in so she can see the magic. And then we're going to click continue, generate, and here we go. Okay, so this is what we get for our content. Then we're going to go into elements. We're going to go back into kitchen, but we're going to look at videos. So if you look at videos, these are all your kitchen videos. Okay, so you can grab this and pop it in. So there you go. There's your video. Then you can go here. Oh, I don't like the dark because it's not working with my, I mean, you could still do the dark. You just have to change your font color there, but we're going to stick to lights so that we don't have to change it. Pretty cool, huh? Are you guys super excited about this? Oh, I think
very cool.
Can you change the font just in one of those or whatever?
You can change, yeah, you can change whatever you want. You could put a different logo in here. You can click on this, change the words. You can change the color. You can change the font. You could do whatever you want.
So the bulk just does it when you bring everything over. After that, it's individual.
Yeah, everything else is individual. Yeah, so if you didn't do something that you should have did, it's easier just to start over. Yeah, because when you sit there and have to fix all these different ones, it's like, ugh. But so if like Linda doesn't, is it Linda that said kitchens? So let's say living room. So here's some living rooms. We can also do those.
Right. Can you show how to put a square around the letters?
Yes. So let me finish doing this first, and then we will move on to that. And yeah, if you wanted the square behind it, it would have been better to do it in the beginning, but it is what it is. You know, it's not going to be that hard to do that. So we need another. Oh, here we go. All right. I wonder if they have like backyards. Cool. Oh, funny. Okay, here we go. This is my style right there. I like that. You guys like that?
Yep. Looks good.
Is that a kid jumping in that? Okay, I'm not in love with these backyards, but just in case people want to do stuff like that. Maybe this one. Yeah, we'll definitely need some. Okay, so if you click elements and you click square, or you can click like the square with the rounded edges, you can go here, over here, do like maybe that, bring that down, make it white. And then where it says transparency right here, you're gonna go, and then you can actually send this back. Where's my, there it is, layer, send backward. That way the writing pops, right? Because you want the writing on top of that little window. And if you like that, then you can just take that, Control C, Control V. Oops, that did not work. Maybe I didn't copy it. Control C. There it is. But then again, you got to move it right behind so that that comes through. And maybe you don't like it all the way down there, you can move it up. You know what I mean? So that's why when you do it at the very beginning, you don't have to redo all this stuff, but I forgot about it. So here we go, send backward. Meredith, you have a question?
Yes, I'm sorry. I was, is there a reason or a setting somewhere that you can quickly reference that I used to be able to upload videos into my uploads, but it won't let me do that anymore.
What? Why?
I don't know. It doesn't give me the option. When I go, it just shows me my photos and none of my videos are included in it.
You definitely can. So, okay. So
I know you can because I used to.
You're not going to find them. Yeah, you're not going to find them in your uploads photos. You're going to find them in your upload videos. Hold on. Let me finish this real quick. Moving this behind there. Moving this behind there. Yeah, that shaded thing really makes a difference, huh? Send back. Move this up a little. Oh my gosh, are we almost done? Sorry, guys. I just want to get these really good because if you don't want to do all of this, guess what? These are going in my Notion pages. And then you just have to put your logo on them. How cool is that, right? So, oh, this one definitely needs it.
Oh yeah, that's very cool.
Okay. Definitely needed that. And then a couple more, almost done. Oops, go behind. So beautiful. All right. So Jamie's like, this took way longer than 1 minute. Okay. Here's and back. Okay. So anyway, there's that. Okay. So for video, Meredith, you're probably looking for it here, you know, in all of your uploads, right? There's a video right here is where your videos go. So you're saying when you click upload, you're not allowed, it doesn't let you upload a video file?
Correct. It just brings me to my photos and it doesn't have the videos even as an option to pick.
Well, this isn't picking what is going. I'm looking for a video file here. Hold on. Right here. Here's my reel. So when I do that, I didn't really pick. I just clicked upload file and then I went into my computer and then I picked the video. So do you want to share your screen?
I think it maybe she probably has clicked on the photos and you got to click to the videos and then upload. I think that does it.
Okay, I can try it, but I mean,
Even if you're on images and you upload the file, you can still grab a MP4 and it just automatically goes into the video section.
Okay. I don't want to take up the class with my personal technical difficulties, which is probably user error.
No, that's okay. I just wanted to make sure that you're looking in the right spot. But yeah, you should be able to click upload. You have Pro, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you should be able
I feel like it's some kind of something between that and my Mac aren't talking correctly, because it, like I said, it let me do it before. Like if I went to a baseball game, I could make videos and then I could come and make it. But now the videos don't even show up. They're not an option for me to choose when I say upload. So I feel like it's a technical error on my part somewhere, and I don't want to take the class for that.
You're fine. That's what VIP is for. We actually help hop in and help you press buttons and figure things out if you want to join. I know Joanne's probably dropped it in the chat several times. Anyway, okay, so for these, remember, you cannot schedule these. You cannot schedule these on Instagram. So for these, you would literally just go in here and download video file, right? And you can select all 15 pages, or you can just do unselect all 15 and just do one at a time. And then you upload it onto, I send them to my phone because it's easier to do things on my phone. I send them to my phone. Once I download them to my computer, if you don't know how to do that, you just click done. And then once it goes into your computer, downloads, open your phone. Oh, it's still uploading. Hold on. It's taking a little longer because we are on a Zoom. Does anybody else have any other questions while we're waiting for this lovely upload? Please
How did you get to the videos again for the background videos on your posts? How did you get there again?
Okay, so you're on the post right here, and then you go to elements, and I just typed in like living room. And then see, it says photos, graphics, videos, and then you just say see all. And then that's when you can just drag them over to each one. You definitely want to make sure that you have a different one for each thing to make it a little more engaging. But yep, that's how you do it. Isn't that cool?
Thank you. Thank you. Very, very cool.
I know. I love this.
This is great because you wouldn't have to spend the $50 a month on somebody else creating it for you.
I know. And this is how people are selling them on Etsy. Literally, they're bulk creating, throwing it on Etsy, and charging you all $29. And
Good stuff, Wendy. Good stuff.
I know. I just saved you $29.
And we're paying it.
You should spend it in VIP. All right. Darcy, you have a question?
Dude, this is fantastic. Thank you so much for doing this. This is genius.
I know. It's so worth the learning.
Right. It's like you can have a month's worth of stuff in like an hour. So, but I did actually have a question. So how would, and I don't think you would probably do it at the beginning because it might add it to all of the pictures, but if people wanted to add music to some of these, how would they do that? Unless that's for another one, because sometimes I get ahead of myself.
Yeah, so there is music. We're going to talk about that next week that you can add. There's also a music app that allows you to add music that makes the video move to the beat.
Fire.
Right?
Great. Yes.
So yes, we are going to talk about that. And my guest speaker is obsessed with that right now. So she's going to dive deep into that. I don't know if she's on the call or not, but I'm super excited to have her. Anyway, Linda, good morning. You have a question?
Yes, ma'am. Did you say you needed the pro version to do this upload, this massive uploading?
I have no idea. I think so. I think you pretty much have to have pro for anything cool.
Okay, thanks.
It's worth it. It's worth it. There's so much with pro. I mean, just looking at these videos with a little crown, all that pro. So like none of these would be available. You know, you'd have to go for the free version, which, you know, whatever you could, but the pros are always cute. Anyway, Stephanie, good morning.
Good morning. I was going to ask about your Notion templates and how that subscription works. Is it an annual, monthly? Can you cancel anytime? Can you tell me more?
Yes, so it is monthly. And for Tech Tuesday people, you get 20% off the first month. And basically, you have access to my full buyer workflow, seller workflow, luxury workflow, all of my Canva templates, all of my how-to videos, which there's over 150 how-to videos in there, and my video vault to give you ideas of what videos you can do. So you actually get all of that every month, and I keep adding to it. So all this cool stuff that I'm learning, I'm throwing in there. So anyway, it is monthly and you can cancel anytime. But I'm hoping nobody wants to cancel once they get in there because like I said, we keep adding to it and it's just gold. So awesome. Anyway, anybody else have any other questions? I know I was going to show you guys how to throw this to your phone. Where did it go? Right here. So here's the video, right? The video that we downloaded. If you have a Mac and an iPhone, this is for you. If you have a Droid and a PC, don't watch. So you're just going to go here to these arrows where it says share, and you're going to airdrop it right to your phone. There it is, Realtor. Done. I just got it on my phone and now I can upload it into Instagram, add music, do some ad copy and send.
Sorry, where was that share again located?
Okay, so when you open it up, when you open up the video, there's like, you can throw it to a TV, you can, you know, go full screen, or there's a double arrow right here and you just click share and then you airdrop. You can do the same thing from your phone to your computer. Like you can open up any picture, any video, any website, click share, and you can throw it to your Mac. That's the joy of Apple. Sorry about you droiders.
Thanks on that, because I always click file and share. And file at the top.
You click what?
File at the top. And then you have share.
I don't see anything like here.
Keep going up a little more.
Oh, up there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you could totally do that too. So, which is file. You would want to send it somewhere, right?
At the bottom, share.
Oh, right here. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, you could do that, or you could use these arrows, whatever is easiest, but it's still cool. Anyway, and then that's how you can get it right to your phone. But yeah, awesome. All right, so next week we are going to be doing Canva AI. Can't wait. And then I did already create my May classes. We're going to have Lori and Stacy teaching everybody Now Site. I don't know the dates of each. I just know I have it down on a list. And then I'm going to do one on how I use street text. And then I'm going to do one on Repurpose.io. Yay. And I'm going to try to get Rachel, I don't know if she's on this call, I'm going to try to get her to help me with keywords everywhere. It's cool. Anyway, Stephanie, do you still have a question or are you good? Hello? All right. She must be
Sorry,
good.
I'm good. I couldn't get to my mute button fast.
You're fine. Eve, you have another question?
Yes, I think you covered the voice, the AI voice?
Yeah, AI is next week.
No, well, hold on, let me
Are you
look at
talking
the-
about on Magic Right? Oh, are you talking about your brand voice?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yeah, we did brand second week of April. So go watch that replay.
Okay, thank you.
And that'll set up your logos, your fonts, your colors, and your brand voice, and any
Okay.
photos you want.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Blanca?
So when you do that share, is it only for videos or is it just for any post that you might have into Instagram? So what I normally do is
Canva? From
yeah,
Canva?
from Canva. I usually put it into my computer and then I download it and put it onto my phone and then I upload it on it. So I feel like I'm missing, this is like a step that I'm doing extra. Is that right?
Yeah, so you can't do the video reels and stories through there. You have to download it, send it to your phone, and upload it onto Instagram. But the picture static posts you can do right through the scheduler.
Okay, what are the static posts? I'm sorry.
The static posts were the first ones we did, the little squares that were just a photo.
Okay.
It was a photo and a quote, and you can do those in there.
Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Wendy for president, you guys.
Whatever. Amateur. Oh, there's Jess. Jess is here. She is going to be helping us with AI. She's the one super obsessed and just told, well, I actually found the music that goes, or the video that goes to the beat of the music yesterday while I was trying to learn how to do this. So it was pretty cool, and I'm excited that you're using it. So she's going to show us how. It's going to be awesome. And maybe show us how she changes the color of her shirt. Jamie changed the color of his shirt to red the other day. So lots of cool AI tools in there. And she says she could literally work for Canva. So I'm excited to have her. Thank you. Thank you, Jess.
You're welcome. It's all personal preference. I know Kat made a comment in the chat, and then just to piggyback off what Blanca was saying, you can work off of Canva on your phone too, or your desktop. It's personal preference. I literally have Canva on my phone, and I'm always downloading from my phone and uploading to my stories, but it is whatever works better for you. You can do it from your desktop or your phone.
Right. You can pretty much, you can do a lot of creating in Canva on your phone, like way more than I thought. And so if you save everything into your brand folder and stuff like that, you can do it all from there. It's easier for me on the computer, but it's easier for me to post on my phone. So I use both. Awesome. All right, you guys. Well, I'm going to hop into the VIP room and go press some buttons. So have an amazing day. Thank you guys for coming, and I will see you next.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Thanks, Wendy.
Thanks, Wendy. Bye.
Bye.